Hello everyone, this is Tom from Mystical Arts. In this tutorial I'm going to share how you can make this amazing looking RGB effect, and it takes literally just 10 seconds to do, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a clip of a woman dancing in a very beautiful dress, and what you want to do now is go into the effects tab, type VR digital glitch, and drag this effect onto your clip. Now with your clip selected, go into effect controls, scroll down so you can see VR digital glitch, open up distortion tab, and here you want to change distortion rate to 0. Next you can adjust the color distortion to 100, to 12, whatever you please. I'm gonna leave mine at 50 because it looks amazing. If you want to increase it beyond 100, you're gonna have to copy and duplicate this clip, which you can do by clicking by selecting this effect, clicking Ctrl C and Ctrl V again, and you're gonna duplicate the effect. I'm gonna erase mine because mine looks really good at 50. And yeah, that's literally it. As you can see, it took literally no time to do, and it looks very awesome. So if you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And I hope you have a wonderful evening.